Hi, Scott, Machine Gun Dad. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode. I have this gun on the wall. This isn't a gun, this is an accessory. I just posted 2 videos on my SIG 229s, both of them. I believe that you should practice with your carry guns, but shooting them in 40 and 357 SIG can get pretty expensive. I do not have the factory 22 kit conversion for this, but what I do have is a 9mm conversion. Now, most of the people who convert SIGs, Glocks, whatever, they use a drop-in conversion barrel. Several years ago, there was a company offering what they called the Frankensig slide conversion, where they took the slide from a demilled or government-destroyed 228, cut it to fit the 229 frame. So I bought one when I first heard about them, and I bought it pretty early in the system. Here it is on my DAK. Now we're going to zoom in on right above my finger, and you will see how the slide is engraved. It says FS 457, which I don't know what the 457 means, but then you'll see the serial number 009. Okay, this is a drop-on conversion that you get the aspects of a lighter 228 slide. I liked it so much, I'm like, gee, for what he was charging, I'll just buy another one. So I did, and this is it. Now this must be a second generation because he did not engrave any of the FS 457 or the serial number on it, but it's a 228 slide, and in this case it's on my double single lower. So I've got 2 9mm 229s right now. Great for practice. This, unfortunately, the sights are old night sights and they're long since dead. I think I'm going to go to the high vis sights. It's a slide-on conversion, and I'd like to probably convert at least one of my 229s to the high vis. When I shoot it in 229, I use the German Zipper 13-round surplus mags. When they surplused out these slides, they surplused out these mags, so I probably have 20 or 30 of them. Either way, you can convert it with a barrel or you can convert it with a SIG. Frankensig. I don't know if these are still being made, but they do come up on Gunbroker. If you see them and you got a 229, I believe you have to have the unrailed version. It's a great investment. It's a way to practice with your gun in 9mm, a lot cheaper, but it's still a SIG. I'm going to take you out in the range. I'm outside, gonna run the Frankensigs for you on both frames, the DAK and the double single. Each gun is going to be run with a German zipper mag and a Meccar made SIG 228 mag. First thing I noticed when I was putting this gun in my holster is how much lighter it is with the old 228 slide instead of the solid 229 slide. This gun is much handier. So let me put my ears on here. We'll give it a run. Test out the double single. Ran flawless. I didn't hit too many. Did better with when it was in 357 SIG. Give me a minute. I'll be back with the DAK in 9mm. I'm back. Scary, huh? Only took a second, magic of video. Got my DAK with the other Frankensig, one with the big numbers on the side of it. And I'm gonna run it, same deal. One Italian mag and one German mag. Let's see which one comes out first. This is the German mag. there you have it. I don't know if these are available anymore, or how many he made, or if they're on the used market, but this is a fantastic addition. If you have a 229 and 357 Sig or 40 and you can find one of these Frankensig conversions, it's fantastic. Now you can always go the drop-in 9mm barrel route, but I really like the feel of the 228 slide. Again, this is another episode of I've got this gun on the wall. I want to show it to you. I already showed you the guns in previous videos. I just wanted to show you, I should say, I've got this accessory on the wall. Thanks for coming to the channel. Stay safe. Like and subscribe and other crap. As always, I hope to see you soon.